Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to convert rows into column in Informatica Power Center. So this is the video lecture 52 of this Informatica class series. So this is the input record is there, and after performing the mapping, we need to get the output like this. So here you can see account number, currency, bank name, and amount. This is in rows, and after performing the mapping, we need to get the into the column. So let's see how to do that. So first here, going to create one new mapping. Let's open the mapping designer, and we need to create the mapping. Let's go on this mapping here, create m underscore here row to column. So name should be meaningful. Thereafter, let's take the source. So source that's come from the flat file, this here tab. Okay, so if you want to see the source, let's go on this preview editor, clicking on triple dot, then here let's select all. So file is the CSV tab, and now click on this open. Here you can see this is the input record is there, and the next is let's take their expression transformation. So expression, and selecting these tools and dragging inside the expression transformation. Thereafter here let's add the port. So for port we need to add. So first is integer. Here let's give the, or you should give the double. Okay, double, and next is a string, and here giving the double once again. And this all should be output port. Here we need to give the name. So first here O underscore account number, and the next is O underscore currency, and thereafter O underscore amount, and here O underscore bank name. So here you can see account, currency, amount, bank name, this all. So account number, that's numeric, amount should be numeric, currency can be like INR, PNR, this all in a string, bank name should be a string. This all in output port, and there we need to give the expression. So inside there let's write if, and here call one. So if the call one equal to account number, account number. So if this condition is satisfied, then there that load the value call to. So if the account number, then that load the value of call to. Thereafter let's okay, and thereafter the next if we need to use if call one equal to, so this here currency, then this return if that match with the currency, then that return call to. And the same thing here, if call one equal to or that match with the amount, then that return call to. So if that match with the amount, then that return call to. Thereafter here if call one equal to bank name, then that return there call to. So all the cases here that return call to. So this condition that's given there inside the expression transformation, let's click on this apply. Okay, the next is we need to take the target. So going into the target here, let's create new, create button is there. So here you can select according to your select data types. So selecting flat file, and here creating the, so here let's give for the name cost underscore flat file. So here this created there. After that, let's go double click then column. So we need to add there 4 columns. So 4 column that going to add. So first here integer, or here let's give double a string double string double, and there we need to give the meaningful name. So let's give here account number. For telling that spaces are not allowed. So let's giving here account underscore number. Let's give here the name currency. So you can create the uh, target file there also. Let's give here the next is amount and here bank name. So this done here. After that, let's click on this apply. OK. Target that's created. So this here, let's go on this target. Cust flat file that's created there. Here you can see, and now this all output that's going to select and dragging there. So here going to copy the location of this source file. So this is the location, and now so this saved mapping is valid. Let's go on this workflow manager. So workflow manager, let's create view task, and the mapping is column to rows. So here you can see rows to column. Okay, rows to column. Then this here source file, and then we need to give the location of the file. And this here customer, so there you want to create the file. So here let's include the header and their output file location, and this creating on the desktop. Okay, and the file that create with the name. So let's give here the file name .csv. So CSV file that's going to create there. Okay, and after that, when that all done, let's click on this. Okay, okay, and thereafter let's go to the link task and stabilize the connection. So here this mapping is valid. Click on this start task. Now this succeeded. Let's go there on this. So here or on this desktop, this file that's created. So file that's created, here you can see account number, currency, amount, this all come there. But here account number, this value is now or number, and currency this, and here amount, this all that's come there with including 0 values. So this 0 that's also come there. So now going to terminate this 0. So between this all 44, this all values and 0. So this is the highest, and here this INR 0, this is the highest 0. SBI is the highest. So that going to use the max aggregate function. So by using max aggregate function, so let's remove this and going to use their max aggregate function there. So let's use and selecting this all, and there we need to add the 4 port. So 4 port, this all should be input tab, not making output. And here double string. So let's give here double string. So this let's remove. Thereafter here giving account number. Account number. Next is currency. And thereafter, let's give your bank name. And thereafter, account number. So this all there. Let's make that output port. And here, so we need to use there to eliminate the zero. We need to use max aggregate function. So max aggregate function inside there. First is, so first here account number. Let's give account number. Okay. And the next is, this is for currency. Let's use there max. And here port currency. And thereafter the next is, let's use there max. And here amount, I think amount. Okay, bank name. Okay. And so or double is string, and this should be a string tab bank name, and this here double. Now the next is here, let's give max aggregate function, and we need to give their amount. So amount for amount. So this all done here. Here you can see account number. This is for, and next is currency. Next here amount, and this here bank name. So no need to make that. This is in the group wise. So with the help of this eliminate all the zero or among the rows. Now let's select this all and stabilize the connection. Number, currency, amount, and here bank name. This all looking fine. Let's save that, and thereafter let's refresh the session. So session refresh, and now let's start the task. So here you can see this succeeded 72, and now if I go inside the desktop, here you can see this file is now, this is zero that's terminated there, and now getting the expected output. So this is the account number, and here this is currency INR, and this is amount, this value is there, and this is the bank name SBI. Okay, so this is how we can convert or this rows into column. Okay, this rows into columns. So this is the input value, and here output that's getting. So here you can see there I'm using the expression transformation and aggregator transformation. Aggregator transformation, that is used to terminate or eliminate the zero from the rows. And this here also, this is the condition inside there. So if column this match, then that return quartile. So here you can see. So this is the input value. So if that match with the amount, account number, then that return this value. If that match with the currency, then that return INR. Amount, then this here. And this bank, then SBI. Okay, this is the condition that's given on this. Okay, so this is how we can convert or column to or rows to column using Informatica Power Center. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.